Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the most engaging and fun activities for dementia patients. Let's see how much joy we can bring. Engaging fun activities can play a vital role in enhancing the lives of dementia patients. By keeping them engaged, we can improve their mood, reduce agitation, and even slow down cognitive decline. It's essential to focus on activities that promote social interaction, mental stimulation, and emotional fulfillment. Dementia is a cruel disease that takes away a person's memories, identities, and independence. As a result, caregivers face tremendous challenges in caring for their loved ones. They often have to deal with aggression, anxiety, and frustration, which can be emotionally draining. On top of that, patients struggle with confusion, disorientation, and a sense of loss, making it difficult for them to adjust to their new reality. The cognitive decline associated with dementia affects not only the patient, but also the entire family. It's heartbreaking to see a loved one slip away, and it's crucial to find ways to make their journey a little more bearable. As the disease progresses, patients may become withdrawn, detached, and passive, making it even more challenging to keep them engaged. It's essential to understand that every person with dementia is unique, with their own strengths, weaknesses, and preferences. Music has the power to evoke emotions, stimulate memories, and bring people together. That's why music therapy is an excellent activity for dementia patients. You can put on their favorite music, and suddenly, they're transported back to a happy time. Arts and crafts are another great way to keep patients engaged. You can provide them with various art supplies, and they can express themselves freely. Some patients might enjoy sensory games, like touching different textures, smelling different scents, or tasting different flavors. The possibilities are endless, and it's essential to tailor the activities to the patient's interests and abilities. We can also use technology to our advantage, such as virtual reality, puzzles, or educational games. These activities not only stimulate the mind, but also provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. I'd like to share a story that touched my heart. A woman named Mary had been living with dementia for several years. She was withdrawn, depressed, and had lost her spark. Her caregiver introduced her to painting, and it was like a miracle. Mary discovered a new passion, and her paintings became a reflection of her emotions, thoughts, and experiences. She started to socialize, make new friends, and even sold a few of her paintings. It was incredible to see her confidence grow and her smile return. These activities not only improved her mood, but also gave her a sense of purpose and belonging. One patient I worked with, John, loved gardening. We set up a small garden in his backyard, and he would spend hours tending to his plants. It was amazing to see him connect with nature, and his sense of pride and accomplishment was palpable. Another patient, Emily, was a music lover. We would put on her favorite music, and she would start singing, dancing, and even telling stories about her past. These activities brought so much joy and happiness to their lives, and it was incredible to see the transformation. By incorporating these engaging activities into their daily routine, we can significantly improve the lives of dementia patients. We can reduce agitation, anxiety, and depression while promoting social interaction, mental stimulation, and emotional fulfillment. Let's keep our loved ones engaged, active, and happy, and make their journey with dementia a little more bearable. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about dementia care, be sure to check out our next video on tips and strategies for caregiving.